सी वेबिनार्स करने के पीछे जो सबसे बड़ी साइकोलॉजी है, व्हेन वी वांटेड टू स्केल द बिजनेस, वेबिनार्स तीन रीजन की वजह से होते हैं। पहला, when because if we are conducting webinar, we can sell to many people. We have a message, and we can communicate to many people at the same time, with the same effort, with energy, with the same resources. Right? जो 1 घंटे में आप एक बंदे से बात करते हैं, उसी 1 घंटे में आप बहुत सारे लोगों तक अपना मैसेज पहुंचा सकते हैं, अपनी बातों को रख सकते हैं. More people will listen you. That's the biggest advantage of webinar, right? But with great power, it comes with great powers come with great what? Responsibility, right? Now it's a great power, right? If you know how to conduct webinar, that's going to be a great power. If you're conducting webinar, that's going to be a great power. That's going to give you remarkable result. But at the same point of time, you're having a very high responsibility, because now there is not a single person who is sitting on a call with you, right? If you make mistake, you can cover up. If you make mistakes, you just lose one lead. No, that's not the case here. There are 30 people, 40 people, 50 people sitting in the webinar. And average conversion is 10 to 15%. That means out of 30, 40 people, you'll get 3 to 4 sales. So if you make mistakes, you're making mistakes in front of 40 people. That means you're losing your authority, you're losing your brand value in front of 40 people. You waste 40 leads in a single webinar. You waste 3 to 4 leads, which means if your product costs 10,000, then you're losing 40,000 immediately on that webinar just because of your silly mistake. How webinar is definitely very profitable, because 4 सेल करने में आपको 4 से 5 घंटे लेंगे. But when you get on webinars, you can do it in just 2 hours. That's a beauty. 40 सेल करने तो भी आप वेबिनार के थ्रू कर सकते हो 2 घंटे में, राइट? बट उसके साथ बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी आती है. Power comes with great responsibility, and you must prepare yourself to handle that responsibility.